guys, and good morning or good afternoon or whenever you are watching this video. I hope that you are doing fine and I hope that you are rested and happy and ready and excited for this new day. First of all, who can tell me what day it is today? Do you know what day it is today? Yesterday it was Tuesday and tomorrow will be Thursday. So, with that information, can you tell me what day it is today? Today is Wednesday. Very good. Today it is Wednesday. It's the third day of the school week, of the working week. And we have lots of fun activities to do today. Because first of all, we are going to start with English. And then I will give you the instructions for science, and also you will have some math activities. So lots of things to do, so I think that we have to begin quickly. Okay, are you ready? I need you to grab a pencil and a paper. It could be like a blank sheet, or it can be a notebook, or it can be your spelling form. And today we're going to start with spelling, but you already know the meaning of the words. We have been practicing the words already. So I thought it would be fun to do some kind of spelling quiz. So I'm going to give you the description of the word and you have to guess which one it is. And then you write it down. So the questions can be different. It could be that, for example, I'm giving you the description of the word. But it also can be that I'm going to do something and you have to guess it. Or I can, for example, I'm going to give you the first letters or the sounds. So it can be different things. So it's important to pay attention, to listen carefully, and also to watch. Because sometimes I'm not going to speak, but I'm going to do something, for example. Okay? I hope that you are ready. And if you are, then we can begin. Okay, so the first word is, for example, I'm gonna do something. I have a cup here with something inside. I'm doing this. But it can also be that you do it like this. What is it? Smelling, but the word isn't smelling because I did it yesterday. So for example, yesterday my tea. What did I did yesterday? I smelled. Very good. So the first word is smelled. So write it down, please. And then we can continue. Okay, the next word is something that you do in the kitchen. And it is when you put different things that you can eat together and you're making a dish. A dish. So no cakes or things like that. It is a dish. For example, your dinner or lunch. But you have to do something first to prepare it. How is that called, that action? It is called cooking. Very good. So the next word is cooking. So write it down, please. Okay, then we can continue. I am talking like this. How is it called when you talk like this? So not like this, but like this. How you call that? Whispering. But I did it last week. So it is in the past. So I whispered. Very good. So write that down, please. Okay. The next word is something that you do when it's something that you do with your head with your brains. For example, if we are doing some math activities and we don't know exactly how to do it, then we have to about it. We have to think about it. Think. So when you do it, you say, I am thinking. My dog is here to help you with the spelling. Thinking. How is it going so far? You like the quiz? Okay, this is the next word. Not that. The next word is this. What am I doing? I am writing. Very good. Writing. That is the next word. Writing. Very good. Okay, this is something that you do when you're going to buy things. You're going to buy, for example, new clothes or some presents or something else. And this word is in the past, so it's not happening now, it already happened. And yeah, well, how is it called when you're buying new things in the shops? You are shopping, but it is in the past, so it is shopped. Very good. So that is the next word, shopped. Okay, the next word is also an action, and it's something that you also do in a kitchen, and people do it at a bakery. It is an action that you're doing when you're making, for example, bread or a cake or a pie, something like that. So it's not cooking, but it is baking. Very good. So the next word is baking. Okay. The next word starts with a W and it ends with ED. Starts with W and ends with ED. Can you find the word? Wished. Very good. So the next word is wished. There are only a few words left. And the next one also starts with W, but it ends with ING. It starts with W and ends with ING. Can you find the word? It starts with W and ends with ING. Oh, we already had that one. I just remember. It was writing, but we already did it. But you can do it again. But that was my mistake. We already did that. Well, then we're going on to the next word. It is something that we are doing now, exactly at this moment. What is the activity that we are doing? We are doing spelling. Spelling. So the next word is spelling. We know that we are doing it, but do we also know how to write it? Spelling. And then I think the last word is the past of imagining. So we don't write imagining, but it is in the past. So for example, yesterday I imagined is the word. So we had smelled, imagined, whispered, spelling, cooking, baking, thinking, wished, shopped, and writing. Those are the spelling words. And now it is time for our sentence. And today, what day is it again? It is Wednesday. So the sentence is, Pedro loves writing down the spelling. Pedro loves writing down the spelling. Remember that when you are writing a sentence, you use a capital letter and a full stop in this case. Okay? So you can write down the sentence, and when you finished, you can continue with the next activity. And I will see you there.